Hello. Hi, students of the fourth year. I am Dr. Devashish Chatterjee is talking about the Kali group. So, Kali group, you haven't heard the name of the Kali groups, but already it was discussed by the teachers previously in the year of the third year or the second year. Now, I am telling about the to some extent about the drugs which are related with the Kali groups. There are basic some constitutions and basic characters are there each group of the Kali, but we can identify the drugs in general. So in general, as per your course concerned, there are so many drugs are there in the Kali group, but if you go through the Buddhist Mathematica and some other the authentic Mathematica, you will get that there are lots of medicines are there which is belonging to the Kali group. Now I am talking about the drugs of the Kali group. Among the groups which is used in a course and that is to be taught, that is to be discussed in your class today to some extent, but you have to go through the Mathematica in details. The other Mathematica, the authentic books should be followed. So the Kali bichromicum, Kali bromatum and Kali carbonicum. These three drugs are also included in your course. But there are some other drugs also, that is the biochemical medicine, Kali sal, Kali mure, like this, Kali phos, that is in the biochemical system of the medicines. Now, you know the biochemical system of medicine or homeopathic system of medicine, that the symptoms are to some extent same, are having the capacity producing the signs symptoms according to the organ system level at this time as per the necessity concerned. But whatever happening, in case of the Kali group, there are some basic criteria are there, and if you know the as per the physiology concerned, the Kali where it is necessary and where it is requirement is there, and if there is a deficiency, then what are the sign symptoms may be produced. So in that sense, in physiological level, in physiological concern, the biochemical system of medicine will be helpful, because the biochemical system of medicine concerned about the deficiency syndrome. If there is some deficiency is there among the 12 salts, so as per the salt concerned, the sign symptoms are also producing. But in case of the homeopathy, here we will get some other things. We will get the very finer symptoms, even not only the mental symptoms and general symptoms, physical general symptoms are also included in it. Okay. So in case of the potash, Kali bolo to potash hai, तो देखोगे जो potash is a very important components constituents of our cellular level as also blood and so on. So in potassium level, the potash is normally important for the constitution of the tissues, fluids of the body. And next to phosphoric acid, it is the chief inorganic components of the nerve substances. इसलिए Kali phos, Kali mure, Kali bichromicum, Kali brom, Kali carb, Kali natrum, Kali natraniticum, Kali sulf. These are also medicines which are also included into the Mathematica. Some are in homeopathic books, Mathematica, written by the Hahnemann or some other authentic books, authentic pioneers, but some are there in biochemical system of medicine. These are also included. So basic characters some there. That sphere of action is also there. So and the sign symptoms, there are so many disease condition can be treated by these drugs, and I am giving some basic examples of these drugs so that will be helpful in the practice life, as also we are fighting, we can fight with the disease condition like the corona. We are fighting with the nowadays corona, the physicians fighting with the corona, the scientists, the virologist, biochemist and the physician also, doctors are also fighting with the corona. Like this, we are also fighting with all other disease concerned. Now the potash is very much important for our body, which is necessity is there, and at the same time there's a sodium is also there, potassium, like this. So many salts are also useful in our day-to-day life and for the purpose of the healthy conditions. So phosphorus, phosphoric acid also important. So these are also inorganic components in the nerve substance. It also helps for the stimulating the nerves. Then on animal experimentation, it has been demonstrated that potassium compound, especially carbonate, causes profound muscular weakness. इसीलिए देखोगे most of the time हम क्या करते हैं, the homeopathic physicians they are giving the Kali-Phos like this medicine for the nervous debility. Even the Kali-Phos, not only the Kali-Phos, but some other drugs. Kalimur also useful in case of for the stimulating the nerves and other substances. So on an animal experiment, it has been demonstrated that potassium compound, especially the carbonate, causes the profound muscular weakness and eventually paralysis. Okay. So where there is the paralytic conditions and the nerve weakness, we must consider the Kali group. Okay. And it is in case of the poisoning, weakness of the cardiac muscles and early systems, we must consider these drugs. Even the poisoning and even the cardiac muscle disorders. So to strengthening the cardiac muscles, we must think about the Kali. So potassium, देखो जो KCl, the namak जो है काला नमक, that are also useful in case of the Kali for the strengthening the heart. Okay, the death occurs with the heart in diastole and surcharged with the blood. This is key of the potash salts. So death occurs with the heart in diastole condition and surcharged with the blood. This is key to the potash salts. Another thing is that principal potash salts are powerful and defecting. So when we think about these drugs, that the potash salts are the powerful and defective. Patients needing a potash salt suffer from the lassitude, weakness and heaviness of the extremities and depression of the sexual powers. This is also another factor. The needing a potash salt suffer from lassitude. So हम potash salts में क्या देखते हैं? Those who are the person who are the lassitude, weakness, prostration, like this. These fellows are mostly need of the Kalis, that is the potash. Even the weakness and heaviness of the extremities and depression of the sexual power, that also present in the those who are having the deficiency of the potash. Okay, na? And so we must think of the lethargy, weak, and the heaviness of extremities, the depression of sexual power, and depression in mentality and physically. They people are prone to or need to, that is the Kali groups of medicines. Unduly affected by the mental and physical exertions, they are very much susceptible to it, and the aggravation from the mental and the physical exertions and or the sexual intercourses. इसीलिए काली ग्रुप का जो यहाँ पेशेंट होते हैं, they are having some problems regarding the physical and mental problem and sexual intercourse. Mostly देखा गया जो लोगों sexual intercourse में तकलीफ होते हैं व फेलियर होते हैं और जो weakness आते हैं उस जगह में हम काली ग्रुप को दे सकते हैं. So however, sexual intercourse exertion में bromium is also another, and carbon group are also important, calcium carbon and so on, and another is the phosphorus is also important. So the inside produces the iodoid cellularly produces the impotency. So we must think about these drugs, about the impotency. The sexual erethism may also be characteristics of the potash salts. So somewhere we will find it, that if there is a constant erection of the penis, okay, so that is a very characteristic symptom that is called the erethism. So in that cases, with the Kali group is also very important. The Bicali bicomicum especially, and the phosphorus. So phosphorus has the tendency to make a constant erection of the penis. The Kalis affect markedly the mucous membrane also. The Kali group affects the mucous membrane, producing the congestions, okay, and inflammations. So Kali group is to be used not only in the initial stage but also in case of the secondary stage or the tertiary stage. So somewhere we are using the Kali bichromicum, Kali mur, somewhere we will use the Kali salt, like this. Okay, na? So another thing is that this Kali affects markedly mostly mucous membrane and producing that is the congestion, inflammation, ulceration and so on. Even the increased and altered mucous discharges. So Kali group में हम क्या देखते हो जो discharges होते there is an alteration होते. So that's what the discharge concern, color concern and character concern. We must think of these drugs. So increased and altered mucous discharges. Bicarbonicum, Kali bicarbonicum, Kali carbonicum, Kali mur, Kali iode have thin, acrid and watery discharges. Okay. So Kali bichromicum to hai, but there is some stitchy discharges which is found and long standing yellow color, that is very good. Kali carbon white discharges mostly. Aggravation time is early in the morning. Kali mur, that is a white discharges are mostly there. All the mucous membranes are discharging and white discharges. Kali iode also thin discharges and having thin acrid discharges, watery discharges. Kali beach, stringy, yellowish and greenish discharges. Kali carb, thick, yellowish and greenish discharges. Kali iode, Kali phos, foul smelling mucus membrane, yellowish, greenish and bloody. These are very important. Kali mur, though tough and pure white like milk. Hello. हाँ बोल हाँ ना मेरे को अभी ये चल लेक्चर चल रहा है ऑडियो में बंद करना है बाद में 1 घंटे बाद ओके तो नेक्स्ट नंबर सो Kali mur दो mucus ta mucus pure white like milk and we can see it okay so Kali mur ka jo discharges hai that also is very important and useful so that it become the tough mucus pure white like the milk so on behalf of the discharges we can identify and diagnose it and also we can understand the stage of the disease condition and where it is to be applicable and so on. The Kalis have power to arrest the abnormal secretions, whether that be mucus or the serous, perspiration and the hemorrhage. So Kali group have this type of abnormality that is arrest abnormal secretions, whether it may be mucus or serous or perspiration or the hemorrhage. Kali carb are less often Kali iode are useful in absorbing fluid from the pleural cavity and joins Kali carb and Kali mur in ascites. इसलिए Kali carb and less often Kali iode they are useful in the absorbing fluid from the pleural cavity. इन लोगों को कहना pleural cavity से इन लोग absorption कर लेते हैं fluid का, especially pleurisy and so on. And joints भी also, even the Kali carb also, Kali carb and Kali mur in ascitic conditions, they will absorb the fluid from the pleura or some other organs. Hemorrhage yield more to carbonicum and phosphorus. This is also very important of this. Hemorrhage yield more to Kali carb and phosphorus. So Kali carb में hemorrhage है, Kali phos में भी hemorrhage है. Kali carb में देखा गया mostly there is the metrorrhagia. Okay, metrorrhagia. So many drugs are there among them. Metrorrhagia है. साथ और क्या देखेंगे ना backache and excruciating backache, stitching type of pain and so on. Kali बीच में क्या देखेंगे epistaxis, This episode is very important. Okay, and bleeding part from the nose, these are very important. And Kalikab and first Kalifos and Kalimur, they are also useful in case of the hemoptysis. Kalikab, Kalifos and Kalimur, useful in case of the hemoptysis. So there are somewhere this Kali group also to some extent having they are covering the Sora, syphilis and psychotic, and even they are also tubercular in that sense, so as they are having the bleeding tendency shown. Next is the dryness of the mucus or inability to perspire, called specially for the Kalika. इसमें और क्या देखेंगे? Dryness of the skin or inability to perspire, calls especially for Kalika or Kalifos. So perspiration is a very important symptoms of the Kalika and Kalifos. In secondary phase, there will be easy induction of the perspiration. Secondary stage में इसका perspiration का एक बहुत बड़ा ये होते हैं, induction होते हैं. Insensibility of the nerves, कोई भी जगह देखें, the Kali group is also affecting the nervous system, which combines with the timidity and timidity, which is common to all. So as because there is any lethargy condition and they don't producing any type of symptoms, they are the lethargic, timid, and they are also timidity. There is the contraction period and the back pain and so sign symptoms are also there, which is common. Backache is also very common to all the Kali group, and there is the pain in the backside is a very important symptoms of the Kali group. Easily starting from the noise to touch. They are very much easily excitable due to the noise or to the touch. Very excited easily हो जाती है. There is also another thing is that there is the twitching, jerking, and choric movement and convulsions are common to all of them. इसलिए convulsion, jerking, choric movement, twitchings, these are very common to all the Kali groups. Jerking of the limbs and falling asleep is another thing. Jerking of limbs on falling asleep. रात में सोने के बाद वो jerking जो कर लेते extremities में falling asleep, Kalika is very important. रात में उसको jerking हो जाते हैं, ये भी symptoms है. Chorea, convulsions, these are also important of the Kalibrom, Kalika and Kalimur. Chorea, involuntary twitchings of the muscles. Kalika, convulsion में भी हैं, Kalimur में भी हैं. समझे ना? The choric convulsion and so on. Epilepsy, puerperal eclampsia is also there. Eclampsia. So there is the convulsions, eclampsia, and puerperal eclampsia. Puerperal convulsion is very important. In case of carbonic group, another is edematous swelling, the general characteristic to Kalis. So another thing, what we will find it? Edematous swelling or in general characteristics of the Kali group. Kali group में edema, swelling is a very important symptom. इसलिए body का constitution also important and the sign symptoms very important, and especially in case of the edema of the upper part of the body and especially in the eyelids, that is very important because of the Kali ka visually producing the edematous swelling in general, especially in the body and the eyes. Edema of lower extremity is also Kali ka visual there, and pulmonary edema, iodium. So इसलिए pulmonary edema में iodium is very important. Okay. So where there is any edema, pulmonary, you must think of the Kali road. Pain in the stitching and suturing, and bichromate, that is the periodical, the fugitive, covered by a small spot. So particular जगह में अगर कोई pain है, so you can think of the Kali groove, Kali bichromicum. काली कार्बोनेट का डॉटिंग एंड स्टिचिंग एंड कटिंग पेन। काली कार्बोनेट में क्या देखेंगे? डॉटिंग, स्टिचिंग एंड कटिंग पेन। इसलिए एक जगह में डॉटिंग है, स्टिचिंग है, पेन है, टियरिंग पेन है। वी मस्ट थिंक अबाउट द काली कार्ब। फास्फोरस में क्या होते हैं? एनी फास्फोरस ग्रुप दे आर द बर्निंग सेंसेशन, स्टिचिंग सेंसेशन एंड टियरिंग सेंसेशन। सो काली फास्ट में बर्निंग भी होते, स्टिचिंग होते, टियरिंग होते। Then another there are papular and pustular eruptions. We'll find it that the papular and pustular eruptions. Okay. So Kali group, usually Kali Mur, Kali Carb, these are also producing this type of symptoms. Another thing is the state of apprehensions. State of apprehension. So Kali group having the apprehensions, fear. Kali group, Calcutta group, these are also having some unnatural fear. Okay, the anxiety is there, the timidity is there, then the अधैर्य, छोटी छोटी बातों में वो लोगों बहुत घबराहट आ जाती है. So these are the very common symptoms of the Kali group. Another thing is that अगर if we see the basic character, Kali group में देखा गया fatty flabby थोड़ा fleshy है, short sighted है, short nature है, short heighted है. और क्या देखते हैं? They are also having the peculiarity is there is the aggravation from the at dawn 2 बजे से 6 बजे के अंदर aggravation है, peculiar constitution है, somewhere the white fair complexion है, somewhere blackish, but sometimes it has been found there the fatty flabby fleshy है, easily tired है, easily sweating है, easily fearful है, and the neck and the chest, neck and the head are the proportionality is very short. That is very peculiar of the Kali group. Next number, if we see the aggravation time, on behalf of the aggravation time, we can identify which group of the Kali medicine may be useful. One is the first number, अगर देखा गया आफ्टर मिडनाइट इनका सबसे बड़ा एक aggravation time है. इसलिए काली ग्रुप इन जनरल aggravation time that is 2 to 6 p.m. somewhere 2 to 4, somewhere 2 to 4 to 6, somewhere 2 to 3, somewhere 3 to 5, like this. So if Kali if we see after aggravation after midnight, these are the characteristics. Kali में क्या था? 2 a.m. Kali में is aggravation 2 a.m. Kali का aggravation 3 a.m. to 3 a.m. to 3 to 3:30 a.m. इसलिए along with this Kali Carb and Kali bichromicum, the peculiarity is that according to their characteristics of the modalities and discharges and so on. Kali Phos का कैसे है? 3 to 5 a.m. Kali Phos is aggravation time is to 3 to 5 a.m. Kali Shalv, that is the peculiarity. There are some aggravation modalities time. Kali Shalv aggravation in the evening. Okay, Kali Shalv ka aggravation in the majority of Kali Shalv's causes lack of the vitality. This is very important symptoms of the Kali group. Usually Kali Carb का Kali group में lack of vitality. हमारा पास साइलिशिया भी है. Lack of vitality देख लेना उसमें लिखा है. Calcarea Carb में lack of vitality. Kali group lack of vital heat. हाँ, इसके कारण क्या होते हैं? देखने के चेहरा बहुत बड़ा है, फैटी फ्लैबी फ्लेशी है, बट अंदर जाके देखना है, they're easily tired, easily fatigued, easily excited, they have the patience बहुत कम है, and there are lots of complications. So चालू है ना? चलो कितना टाइम हुआ? हाँ? Okay. Sulfur, Kali Sulfur aggravation in the evening, and majority of the Kali salts usually causes lack of the vital heat. इसलिए body touch करने के क्या देखते हैं? There is some coldness, ठीक है ना? Body में sweating, the coldness, the lack of vital. Not only that, they usually susceptible to cold and other things. So Kali Carb especially sensitive to cold. Kali Carb is very sensitive to cold air and emulsion by warmth. This is very characteristic symptoms of the Kali group. And Kali iod and Kali Sulf, Craves for the open air. Kali, iode and sulf. We know that iodium is a patient, hot patient. They prefer the cold air, cold things. Sulfur also, they are also hot, and they prefer the cold atmosphere. Okay, so craves for the open air. This is the big pulsatilla, craves for open air. Natrimum, craves for open air. Tuberculina, craves for the open air. So there are so many drugs are there where we cannot ignore it on behalf of the aggravation time, desire aversion. We must think over it. Next number अगर देखा गया ना, motion is a very source of aggravation, especially bichromate, kali bichromate, aggravation by the motion. ठीक है ना, the motion aggravation. So aggravation by motion is bichromate. Emulsion by the walking is the kali iode and kali sulf. Emulsion by walking. इसीलिए कभी कभी देखा हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम हो, जॉइंट का प्रॉब्लम हो, मोस्टली काली आयोड, काली सल्फ की एस्थमा की प्रॉब्लम हो, एमुलेशन बाय वॉकिंग और द मोशन. देखो रास्टक्स का भी है एमुलेशन बाय द मोशन. ओके, सो दिस इज आल्सो हैपनिंग. स्टिचिंग एंड बेंडिंग पोस्चर, सिटिंग एंड बेंडिंग पोस्चर. सो उसका जो पोस्चर दैट आल्सो हैव सम लॉट्स ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंस. एमुलेशन, द डिस्निया, बेंडिंग पोस्चर में डिप्स एमुलेशन होते हैं. कार्बोनिकम है, डिप्स एमुलेशन बाय लाइंग डाउन, काली बाइक्रोमिकम है, डिप्स एमुलेशन बाय लाइंग डाउन, बाइक्रोमिक है. टेंडेंसी टू ग्रो फैट, बाइकार्बोनिकम एंड सो ऑन. सो ये मेडिसिन एक सबसे पिकुलरिटी भी है. कार्बोनिकम का टेंडेंसी कैसे है? टू ग्रो फैट. बाइक्रोमिकम में ग्रोइंग फैट, desires sour food and drinks. And carbonicum, kalicobiconicum and calibi and calicarb. Aversion to meat, carbonicum and calibi, which, okay, aggravation, aversion to meat. Dreams frightful, calicarb and calibi. Gouty condition found especially in all kalis. So, gouty condition, all kalis. इसलिए rheumatic problem में kali is very important. Diphtheria is commonly found in the calibi. Diphtheria is found in the calibi, kali iode and laccan, lacacious, like these drugs. Okay. Burning sensation of skin is present in most of the kali patients. So this is also another peculiarities. The burning sensation everywhere, especially in the lungs or any part of the body or chest or head and so on. Vertigo is common symptoms of the kalis. चक्कर आते vertigo kali group में. Catarrhal remains of nose is seen in calibi, calicum and calichloricum, kali iode, caliphos. So catarrhal inflammations is very important symptoms seen in calibichromicum, calicum, calishalf, caliphos, kali iode, calichloricum and so on. Leukorrhea also be found in case of the kali group. It is very important. Leukorrheal discharges is found in the kali group. ठीक है ना. And देखा गया काली ग्रुप का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है उसमें एस्थमाटिक प्रॉब्लम, जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम, rheumatic problem, cough cold का प्रॉब्लम, even the cheek का leukorrheal problem. These are very common. Greenish leukorrhea, kali iode, phosphorus and sulfur. Greenish leukorrhea, kali iode, phosphorus and sulfur. Milky leukorrhea, calichloricum. Offensive leukorrhea, caliphos. Okay. Offensive caliphos. Ropey leukorrhea, calibichromicum. ठीक है ना. Ropey leukorrhea, calibichromicum. Sleeplessness and backache are symptoms common most of the calisols. Sleeplessness and backache are common symptoms of the calisols. It may be calicarb, caliphos, calibi and some other. Ulcers are deep and penetrating in natures. It is a very another important symptoms of the calicarb. ठीक है ना. तो however this is a very basic characteristics of the kali group में but whatever may be, we must consider it. That is, the Kali group has some very peculiar characteristic symptoms. To some extent I have told you, and these are the basic characteristics in general. But if you go into details, from every drug has some own characteristics, own importance, so we must consider it. ठीक है ना? It is to some extent basic idea of Kali group. Okay. Next, I am talking about the Kali bichromicum. Kali bichromate, potassium bichromate, K2, Cr2, O7. So this is in constitutions. इसका titration may be made as under class the 7. The bichromic potash is prepared from the chrome of iron ore and readily obtainable in the frame state. It is found in several places of the United States of America. Kali bichromicum कहीं, Russia and Sweden. It is soluble in 10 parts of water and 59 degree temperature Fahrenheit and insoluble in alcohol. Next is the physiological action of the drugs. Physiological action of the drug. This is very important. All drugs have some physiological action and pathological action. What will find it? A pure irritant of mucus, which is taut and stringy, erosion and ulcerations. Okay, pure irritant of mucus, which is taut and stringy, erosions and ulcerations. There is some ulceration, erosion and stringy discharges. This is a very important factor. Tough. Second number, it acts prominently upon the mucous membrane of the respiratory tract, alimentary tracts, and to a less extent upon the uterus, characterized by excessive secretion of mucous membrane. Okay, so uterine discharges, very characteristic symptoms, mucus secretion at the time of goes on erosions and ulceration on the formation of false membrane in the respiratory passage. इसलिए कोई जगह में देखते क्या ना uterus characterized by the excessive secretion of the mucus and at times goes to the erosions, ulceration and formation of false membrane in the respiratory passage भी है. Glandular system, ये भी very important है, acted upon the glands. So Kali group also not only the action on the mucous membrane but also acts on the glands, the respiratory system, digestive system, even urogenital organs and so on, skin, okay, and the other tissues. The kidney, congestion, inflammation and albuminuria. Congestion, inflammation, albumin is very important. Skin, papules and pustules. Papular eruption, pustular eruptions, very important. Fibrous tissue, irritation, tearing pains. Periosteum, congestion, inflammation, disorganization, destruction and heart swelling. So periosteum में हम बहुत सारे symptoms मिलते हैं. Congestion, inflammation, disorganization, destruction and heart swelling. Nasal septum में क्या देखेंगे? Now, power of destroying the cartilage. Very important, very very important. बहुत सारे लोगों देखते हैं. जो लोगों देखोगे ये नाक का प्रॉब्लम रहता है हमेशा. जे लोगों को देखते हैं नाक में सर्दी होते हमेशा. जिस लोगों को जो पहले septum is becomes ulcerated और फिर उजीना, ऐसे लोगों के लिए Kali group medicine important. Among them Kali Carb, Kali Bai, Kali Shal, these are very important. Next number causation देखा गया तो alcohol, beer, hot weather and autumn is very important. Autumn lachesis important, rustux important, and spring lachesis. Okay, so alcohol and beer aggravation. ठीक है ना? So the Kali group patient जब भी कोई alcohol or beer लेते हैं इनके aggravation होते हैं. Very uncommon peculiar symptoms. Even one symptoms वैसे prescription भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Hot weather, they are susceptible to cold, but there is aggravation from hot weather. Autumn, lachesis, rustux and constitution देखा गया तो fatty persons having light hair, fine complexion and suffering from cataract affections. Fatty persons having light hair, fine complexion, and suffering from catarrhal affections, and short naked. These very important symptoms of the criteria of the Kali group. Short naked, ऐसे मत नी जैसे बोलते गाड़ी का नेक ऐसे लॉक हो जाता है, like this. Short neck like this, very important. But long neck, natural. Short neck, Kali group. Long neck, natural. Especially the natural mule. Long neck. Disposed to croup and croupy affection. हमेशा ये लोगों का कॉप कोल्ड का प्रॉब्लम चालू रहते हैं, कभी बंद नहीं होते. साल भर डे भर ये लोग रखते कि ना खसते रहते हैं. कॉप का प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो हॉकिंग को लाइक दिस. Constant there is a mucus usually deposited in the posterior nares and wants to be come out, hawk out. Miasm, it covers all the three miasm, but especially syphilis is in the background. All the three miasm has been covered by these drugs. Then question comes about the mental symptoms, which is very important. So if we think about the mental symptoms, they are very listless. काली ग्रुप पेशेंट का इसको ज़्यादा कोई लिस्टलेस, एपाथेटिक, मिनी माइंडेड, इवन वेरी लेथर्जिक, कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं, डिसइंक्लाइनेशन फॉर मेंटल एंड बॉडीली लेबर. ये लोग मेहनत करना पसंद नहीं करते. डिसइंक्लाइनेशन फॉर मेंटल एंड बॉडीली लेबर, ये लोग लेबर पसंद नहीं करते. मेंटल एंड फिजिकल लेवल कुछ नहीं. लेथर्जी जिसको बोलते हैं एक तरफ सो गया ना तो दूसरा तरफ हटना नहीं चाहते, इतनी आलसी है. सुबह 10 बजे 11 12 बजे 1 बजे तक सोते रहते हैं. लिस्टलेस, एपाथेटिक, ठीक है ना. डिसइंक्लाइनेशन टू मूव, डिसइंक्लाइनेशन टू वर्क. ओके, नेक्स्ट दे आर बिकम द वेरी इंडिफरेंट, द वेरी इंडिफरेंट अबाउट दिस, द वेरी ह्यूमर, they're gloomy and ill-humored, हमेशा दुखी रहते हैं. एक्चुअली कारण कोई नहीं है. They are responsible for the listlessness. They are apathetic. They don't like to be moved. This one, reaction to heat and cold, they are the chilly patient. ठीक है ना. They are very chilly, easily excited, easily chill, easily affected by the cold atmosphere, and so on. Aversion to meat. This is another characteristic symptoms of the drugs. Aversion to meat, calculator, graphitis, pulsatina, silicea, sulfur, aversion to meat. इसलिए हमारा पास desire for the meat, all the syphilitic miasms, all the medicines which belongs to the syphilitic miasms, all the medicine which cover the syphilitic miasm, they usually prefer magnesium carb, syphilinum, aurum. They prefer the Nux vomica. They usually prefer the meat and spicy food. Next number, they have water. They have aversion to water. So usually actually what's happening? The Kali group having the fluid collection inside the body. So they are the bulging. They are the fatty, flabby, fleshy, bulging. इसलिए लोगों को प्रॉब्लम क्या होते हैं ना. वाटर का एक एग्रावेशन है, ज़्यादा पानी भी नहीं पीते लोग. और क्या ना. सो इसीलिए अदर मेडिसिन इज नक्स भूमिका, स्टैमोनियम एंड हायासेमस. दे यूजुअली एवर्शन टू वाटर. हायासेमस तो पानी बिल्कुल पीते नहीं. लाइसिन, हाइड्रोफोबिनम बिल्कुल ही पानी नहीं पीते. वो तो फियर होते हैं, अप्रिहेंशन होते हैं. सो वी मस्ट कंसिडर दिस टाइप ऑफ सिम्टम्स ऑल्सो makes a correct prescription, helps us a lot. Sleep, during sleep, incoherent talk and tossing of the arms. So another is very important. That you sleep के टाइम जो कुछ तो भी बोलते रहते हैं, क्या बोलते खुद भी जानते नहीं. इसको बोलते हैं incoherent talk. And not only that, the tossing about the arms. कोई जगह में arms का देखो. ब्रायोनिया में एक जगह लिखा है, ब्रायोनिया मेडिसिन has some one hand and one legs. They usually jerks or movement of one hand and one legs. Okay. So during sleep तो हो गया. Dreams of anger. Okay. Dreams of frightful dreams. Dreams of fight. Dreams of nightmare. रात भर सपना देखते डरावना. इसलिए कभी सो नहीं सकते, वही देखते रहते हैं. ड्रीम्स ऑफ सफोकेशन, ड्रीम्स ऑफ अनप्लेजेंट एंड विविड ड्रीम्स. इसलिए इसमें क्या देखेंगे, ड्रीम्स ऑफ एंगर, फ्राइटफुल ड्रीम्स, ओके, ड्रीम्स फाइट, नाइटमेयर, suffocation, unpleasant dreams, vivid dreams. Appetite कैसे? Appetite, loss of appetite. Appetite lost. ठीक है ना? Next number, thirst increased. General modality. Thirst increased. General modalities is there. Okay. Aggravation, heat of summer. Heat of summer. Hot weather. Okay. Aggravation of heat of summer, hot weather. Amelioration, skin symptoms are better in cold weather. Skin symptoms better in cold weather. And reverse of alumina and petroleum. So better by cold weather. This is also reverse of the alumina and petroleum. Although that is the problem, all other complaints aggravation by cold, but skin symptoms are better by cold. Aluminium opposite, aluminum also cold में aggravation है. Even not only the petroleum aggravation by cold है. Then question comes about the guiding symptoms. So if we see the guiding symptoms, so there are lots of symptoms are there. Chylobicromicum का first number है the affection of the mucous membrane. Okay, affection of the mucous membrane, eyes, mouth, nose, ear, throat, bronchi, gastrointestinal tract, genitourinary tract, and discharge of tough mucus, stringy mucus, which adheres to the parts and can be drawn into long strings. Comparison with the hydrostash and lysine. The affection of mucous membrane का, it in the eyes, nose, throat, mucous membrane, bronchi, gastrointestinal tract, and genitourinary tract. Discharges are tough and stringy mucus and like the long strings. Adheres to the part through which it passes and can be drawn into long strings. Comparison किसका? That hydrostash and lysine. Pains in small spot can be covered with the tip of the finger. Arnica, Savania and Ignatia can be covered by the tip of the finger. Shift rapidly from one part to another. Shifting tendency, Kali-Salp, Laccan, Lidam and Pulsatilla. So Kali-Salp में क्या देखेंगे? The shifting type of tendency, Laccan में shifting type of tendency, Lidam में भी है, Pulsatilla में है. So इसलिए these are the very characteristic symptoms of the Anishwan. Appear and disappear suddenly. Appear and disappear suddenly. Belladonna like nitric acid, Argentum nitricum, Phytolacca, Ignatia and Macpherson. Complaints occurring in the hot weather. It's all complaints usually aggravation in the hot weather. इसलिए cough cold का problem भी आते हैं. Even the joint problem, that is very important, which is comes during the summer weather. Syphilinum and this Chylobicromicum. These are very important. Even during summer weather, if they usually consume the beer aggravation, Chylobicromicum. Okay. And all they cannot tolerate the heat in any form. Although there is aggravation by cold, but they cannot tolerate the heat in any form. Liability to take cold in open air. Liability to take cold in open air. Rheumatism alternating with the gastric symptoms. Rheumatism and dysentery alternate abrutena. This is very uncommon particular symptom by drugs. Rheumatism alternating with the gastric symptoms. ये जो alternative symptoms है, इसमें बहुत सारी importance है. We should not neglect the alternative symptoms. तो gastric symptoms, respiratory symptoms, gastric symptoms, rheumatic problem, these are alternating. Gastric symptoms are diarrhea, dysentery, abrutena में है. इसलिए abrutena में हम लोग metastasis, alternative symptoms are very pronounced, very important. We must keenly observe the drugs. Next number, liability to take cold. पहले बोला था, Kali group patient very easily catches by cold. That is neuralgia all over the day, at same hour. This is another characteristic symptoms of the Kali. Particular time में, particular day में, neuralgia, China sulf, and so on. China and sulfur is very important. So, neuralgia every day at the same hour, gastric complaints, bad effects of the beer, पहले बोला. Loss of the appetite is another symptoms. Weight in pit of stomach, flatulency is very important. Aggravation soon after eating, gastric complaints aggravation soon after eating, vomiting of ropey mucus and blood, round ulcer of stomach is very important. So what will find it? Bad effects of the beer, loss of the appetite, weight of the pit of the stomach, flatulency, aggravation after eating, vomiting of ropey mucus from the mouth, mucus and the blood, round ulcer of the stomach. इसलिए it is a very important medicine for the cases of the ulceration in the stomach. उसमें एक शब्द बोला गया ticket puncture. If you go to the Allen's Mathematica, you will find it there is a ticket punch ulcer लिखा है. What is ticket punch? That is the gastric ulcer. Ticket punch ulcer. Okay. So these are very important symptoms, very important to these drugs. You must consider it. Next number, if we see the pressure pain, nose symptoms, pressure pain at the root of the nose. So most of the time there is a problem. The cardiac group patient complains there is a pain or obstruction or any complication or ulceration in this area. So pressure pain in the nose, forehead and root of the nose. Another medicine is the stricta pulmonaris. Stricta pulmonaris also producing this type of symptoms, but it also have some other signs and symptoms also there. You must go through. I think stricta pulmonaris I have completed. I think so. And another is the discharge of the plaques. इसलिए क्या बोलते हैं? ऐसे लगता है कोई तो भी ब्लॉकेज हो गया, कोई ये हो गया वहाँ पे clinkers, कोई तो भी plug-like sensation in this area. Then the tough, rough, ropey mucus, greeny fluid mucus in clearness mass. इसलिए यहाँ पे लगता है कोई तो भी ब्लॉकेज है, and that is wants to be evacuated, and then the clear masses are there, and have violent pain from occiput to forehead if discharge is serious. Sometimes देखा गया blockage के इधर pain goes from the occiput to forehead. So if there is pain in this area, we must consider it. There is edematous bladder, like appearance of vulva. So here is our vulva, edematous appearance of the vulva. So another medicine hyacinthus, another medicine kali iode, another medicine is Rastux, another medicine Apis mellifica, and this kali groove. Okay. So on seeing the characteristics of these points, you must think of this drugs. Okay. So appearance of vulva, mask swelling, a little redness is there. Rastux also is on the medicine. मैं पहले बोला. So Rastux, Apis, hyacinthus, kali iode, kali groove. That is found. Cough, violent rattling with gagging from the viscid mucus in the throat. गला से viscid sticking mucus आते. Aggravation when undressing. Cough aggravation from undressing, hypersulfur. Undressing में aggravation है, hypersulfur की भी है. Croup, hoarse, metallic with expectoration of top mucus or fibroelastic cast in the morning. It's early in the morning, there is a cough, croup, hoarse, louding, awakening with dyspnea, emulsion by lying on. Another is the worse when lying down, Arelia and Racemosa, and Lachesis. Easily, on behalf of the modalities, cough, aggravation from rattling with gagging from viscid mucus in the throat, aggravation when undressing, hyperbiae, croup, hoarse, metallic, with expectoration of top mucus or fibroelastic crusts in morning, on awakening, with dyspnea, emulsion by lying down, worse when lying down, worse be, emulsion by lying down, worse from lying down, Arelia racemosa and Lachesis. Headache, ब्लड विजन्स और ब्लाइंडनेस प्रिसीडेड ऑन अटैक, और एक शब्द है जब भी उसका हेडेक होते हैं उसके साथ ब्लाइंडनेस आते हैं, ब्लड विजन, डिम विजन्स, these are also present. Must lie down, aversion to light and noise is a very important symptoms of the drugs. Sight returns as headache increases. Sight returns as headache increases. So sexual desire absent in fleshy people, इसलिए इनका जो ये होते हैं उसका sexual desire नहीं रहते. As because they are the fatty, flabby, fleshy, so their sexual desire is mostly absent. If we compare it with the other drugs, so कैलिबाइक्रोम पल्सिट्ला में बहुत सारी सिमिलरिटी है. Complaints from the arsenic vapor, इसमें complaints from the copper vapor pulsatilla. कैलिबाइक्रोम के pains appears and disappear suddenly or increase and decrease gradually, whereas pulsatilla pains appears suddenly and disappears gradually. कैलिबाइक्रोम के pains appears and disappear suddenly and increase and decrease gradually. इनके उल्टा पेन्स अपियर सडनली एंड डिसअपियर ग्रेजुअली. नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या देखेंगे, पेन्स अटैक्स फर्स्ट वन पार्ट दे रीअपियर टू अनदर. पल्सिटिला में क्या देखेंगे, पेन्स र्यूमेटिक शिफ्ट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर विदाउट एनी इंटरमिशंस. तो इसमें पेन्स अटैक फर्स्ट वन पार्ट दैट रीअपियर इन अनदर. नेक्स्ट नंबर फोर्थ नंबर एवर्शन टू बॉडीली एंड मेंटल एक्सर्शंस. इसमें डिजायर टू वर्क स्लोली एंड रिलीफ फ्रॉम इट. This is very peculiarity. Aversion to bodily and mental exertion. इसमें क्या ना, desire to work slowly and relief from it. Next number, ulcers overlapping, edges are red, areola around, a hard bottom with black spot in the middle. Ulcers swollen, red surroundings, bleed easily and suppurate profusely. इसमें क्या देखें, ulcers swollen है, red surrounding, bleed easily and suppurating profusely. Thirst predominant, want of thirst predominant. Next number, headache better when lying down. Headache better when lying down is very important symptoms of these drugs. Whereas pulsatilla headache worse when lying. Headache better when lying down. इसमें क्या ना, headache worse when lying down. So these are the very important symptoms of the drugs. Next number, watery discharge from nose with great sensitiveness, ulceration of the nostrils. Watery discharge from the nose, ulceration of the nostrils. So, and green fatty discharge, pulsatilla. All the discharges are green. Tongue coated at the root where the heavy or the yellow coating. Tongue is mostly coated. Kalika ka tongue coated रहते हैं, yellowish or whitish yellow like this. Whereas tongue feels as if burnt in the middle. Pulsatilla tongue feels burnt in the middle. Complaints predominate on soft palate. Most of the time देखते हैं ये इसका soft palate में, काली ग्रुप में soft palate में प्रॉब्लम because of उसके cartilaginous tissue जहाँ है वहाँ पे भी, and posterior nares palate इसको पर action है. Whereas complaints predominantly on the roof of the mouth. This is very important. Inflammation and ulceration in the palate and tonsils. Inflammation and ulceration in the palate and tonsils. Whereas इसमें क्या देखेंगे, top mucus in the throat, especially in the morning. Thirst with tongue and mouth is dry. First thirst with tongue and mouth is dry. Radically. इसके thirst है. Whereas इसका क्या ना, although there is the dry tongue but there is no thirst. This is the peculiarity. Vomiting of sour substances. इसमें vomiting of the bile, pulsatilla vomiting of the bile. Vomiting of food after the breakfast. Vomiting of food after each meal, especially in the evening. So vomiting of food after breakfast, इसमें vomiting of food after each meal, especially in the evening. Watery diarrhea followed by tetanus smash. Diarrhea watery followed by tetanus smash morning. What is making pulsatilla watery diarrhea preceded by rumbling in the abdomen. Okay. So diarrhea followed by tetanus smash in the morning, kali groove. Our पास और भी है. And watery diarrhea preceded by the rumbling of the abdomen, that is by night, that is the pulsatilla. expectoration not constant. There is the stingy, whereas expectoration predominant but not constant, the regime. So these are the basic characters of the drugs. Besides this, there is a अगर जनरल मॉडलिटीज देखा गया तो सेंसिटिव टू ओपन एयर, सेंसिटिव टू ओपन एयर, वेरी सेंसिटिव, ओपन एयर में एग्रेवेशन है, ओके, एंड अनकवरिंग में एग्रेवेशन. पर्टिकुलर मॉडलिटीज कोल्ड, स्टमक complaints, aggravation by cold, sneezing, coryza, sore throat, pain in eyes, sciatica, catarrhal discharges, laryngitis, all are aggravation by the cold. Okay, heat emulsion, sciatica, throat, cough, itching and headache. Heat emulsion. Heat aggravation, dryness of the nose and throat. Heat aggravation. Cold emulsion, vertigo, nausea and headache. These are the there. Next number. Complementary to arsenic. Complementary to arsenic. So Kali group देने के बाद is ulceration, this and that, respiratory distress, rheumatic problem, all complaints arsenic is related. And arsenic is also aggravation from night, aggravation at night. Okay, aggravation between the 12 to 2 am and pm. इसमें क्या ना, between 2 to 6 am. That is the peculiarity of the drugs. So इसलिए arsenic का साथ इसका बहुत सारी similarity है. But arsenic is very fastidious, very neat and clean habit. Caliber which is not like this. And what is happening? The inimical does not follow Calcutta curve. Inimical does not follow the Calcutta curve. Antidoted by camphor, coffea and nitric acid. So these are the to some extent basic character of the Kali group in general and Kali bichromicon. But I am giving to some extent catal related with these symptoms. That is the respiratory troubles, headache, diphtheria, so and so. Catal symptoms are the complaints of the nasal passage are more numerous. It has catal symptoms of the both acute and chronic form of the copy as thick and viscid and yellow discharges, white mucus. Odor from the nose is very much fetid, and the patient always complains from the very nose being obstructed at night. Is a Kalivar obstruction at night is very important. The nose can hardly be blown, accompanied by the catarrhal discharges, and there is hard pain in the root of the nose. Catarrhal condition of the larynx and trachea are worse by winter, especially in the cold, damp weather. In case of the rheumatism, mostly this is indicated in syphilitic rheumatism. The rheumatic pains are worse from stooping and like other pains, worse from the motion. An expectoration to this in sacrum, where there is an aching pain in night when lying and is better in day on motion. Okay, there is no pain. There is pain in sacrum on standing up from sitting. Pain in the coccyx from rising after sitting. Pain in the coccyx from first sitting down and in the act of sitting down. The limbs are stiff in morning on rising and pains wandering about, especially in the joints. The rheumatic pains in the limbs that wander about are worse from cold and motion. They are better by heat and rest. Periodical pain coming at regular times. Rheumatic pains are very common in shoulder. Rheumatic pains are common in very shoulder. There is the lameness, there is burning in the forearms, rheumatic pain in the elbow, weak feeling in the fingers and hands with much clumsiness, spasmodic contraction of the fingers, bones in the hands and fingers are very bruised, very tender, hard pressure. In lower limbs, we have marked rheumatic pains, though the hips and knees. Worse walking and on motion. Pain in the sciatic nerve, very severe. Worse in the hot weather, very important symptoms of these drugs. Pain in the sciatic nerve, aggravation in the summer weather, is a very important symptom of the Kali bichromicon and the syphilis nerve. So severe in hot weather, these are better by motion, better in warmth in the bed, worse from change in the weather, and better from flexion of the legs. Drawing pain in the tibia is very common. Tearing sensation in tibia with swelling and stiffness of the joints. So tearing sensation in the tibia with swelling and stiffness of the joints. Sometimes expectorous quantity of the cough भी है इसी headache का भी peculiarity है and respiratory symptoms is very important. Okay, and there is the in asthmatic patient attack comes on about 3 to 4 a.m. in the morning, compelling the patient to sit up to breathe. He sits up and bends forward, which relieves somewhat. A peculiar feature about the patient complaint is about his discharge, that is expectoration is stringy, yellow, and mucus, that is somewhat fetid discharge from the nose, troubled much with a sensation of the dryness of the nose, loss of smell, and the nose is obstructed at night with thick yellow mucus, too vishy to be blown out. Accompanying this, there is a hard pain at the root of the nose. There is a cold sensation in the chest, which is generally felt in the region of the heart, and the rattling in the chest. So this is very important medicine for the case of the rheumatism, headache, diphtheria, cough, and other complaints, especially diphtheria. I told you about the nasal problem and the aggravation and evolution of the peculiarities that especially daytime, the summer weather, hot and beer and so on. So constitution must be remembered. They are the short-necked person, you must consider it. Fatty flabby fleshy behave, and aggravation model is very important from the midnight to early in the morning, especially 2 to 6 a.m. Okay, and the characteristic symptoms different. Aggravation from the meat, aversion to the meat, and so on. We must consider these drugs, and it is a not only the sodic syphilitic, sodic psychotic, but also the syphilitic medicine. Okay, thank you. All the best. Good day. The Kali group, Kali Bicodinum is completed. Bye.